Hello and welcome to my channel Luna the Moon Tarot. So today we'll be doing a guidance reading for pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. So guys, before I move forward, this is not a love reading. This is a normal guidance that you require in your life the most. So they are I've already shuffled the cards and I've already created these piles. So this is pile 1, the orange one, pile 2, the blue one, and pile 3, the yellowish one, right? So I'll be going ahead picking up the pile 1 here and keeping the 2 piles aside here. So this is pile 1. So let me go ahead and show you what is there in pile 1. Inner power, abundance, don't rush, and lack mentality. Interesting. So guys, I somehow feel that you are asking for, you are being guided by the universe that you should have inner power. You should have the courage and power to do what must be done and what is right for you, right? So that is something that is being guided to you. So do what is right for you. Have that courage and move forward. Do things what is right for you. Do not be, you know, do not hold yourself back, right? I also see lack mentality. Probably, you want to achieve a lot, but then you need to open yourself up. You need to explore a lot. You need to have a wide perspective towards life and towards situation, towards people, towards your work, whatsoever that you want to go ahead and achieve abundance in. And I see that, in case if you go ahead and do that, you will definitely receive abundance. But you need to work upon your inner power. You need to work upon your mentality. Probably there is a lack of mentality. You are not very open-minded, or you're not very welcoming, which you should work upon, right? And once you go ahead and do that, you will receive abundance. Don't rush into making decisions. The message from universe is don't rush into making decisions right now. Take your time. Again, I think people, you guys, rush into making decisions quite often, and you're being guided not to rush, because you need to understand, you need to see the pros and cons of taking up a decision, right? And I see that, probably you are not pretty good with that. You just rush into decision making and you just take a step immediately without even weighing the pros and cons for each, right? So this is for pile 1. This is your reading, right? This is your guidance. Let's see what is it that we have for pile number 2, which is the blue one. Let's see. We have sacrifice. Sometimes surrender is painful. God's cutting away all that needs to go. Illusions, obsessions, addictions. It's sacrifice to love. So you're being asked to sacrifice. You've been asked to surrender yourself. I know that, God, I understand it is painful, but God is cutting away all that needs to go. Probably you're feeling that anxiety, that pains, that obsessions from the illusions that you've been dreaming about, and you just want to keep it close to yourself. But then whatever is not meant to be, that has to go from your life. So don't worry, let it go. Just surrender yourself to God and let God guide you the way. Don't get upset, don't get anxious, don't get panic. Just give everything in God's hand, right? You need to let go of your anger. I feel that for pile 2 people, you have a lot of resentment. You have a very short temper that you need to let go of. The message from universe is explore new ventures, move forward with confidence. We are with you. Universe is telling you whatsoever it is, just be confident enough in your approach, because we are with you. And right now it's perfect timing to do so. So guys, this is a very crisp guidance that is on your way for pile 2. Perfect timing. Be confident, sacrifice, work on your anger. That's all, right? Moving on to my pile number 3 here, which is this yellow one. Let's see what are your messages. Change. When the ego finally sees the utter madness of trying to control everything, you come to a sacred crossroads in your own evolution. Guys, you need to have, right now you are going through some kind of change in life. I think probably there is something that happened in your life right now, and your ego was way too high to accept things, and because of that you are going through a lot right now. You're going through a certain epiphany or a transformation in your life. That's what I feel, right? And you feel that you are unworthy of things that you have always been dreaming but you're not getting, because you feel that you're unworthy to deserve that, right? The message from universe is never forget you are lovely, and never forget that you are loved. Love never dies, right? Right now, whatever depression, whatever anxiety, pain, or whatsoever, guys, you are into right now, don't forget that you are loved, and love never dies. Don't feel unworthy, that you're not worthy of love, you're not worthy of anything. Don't, because your ego has finally brought you to this place, but it is also changing you to a way better person, right? So just listen to your intuition, because once you listen to your intuition, you stay grounded, everything will start happening with you. So that is your guidance pile 3. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is a very short and crisp pick up pile video, and hope it all resonated with you. For people who it did not, please come back later and check later. Probably any other video will go and resonate, because do not try and deliberately fit in, because this message will resonate with you and with few it may not. So thank you so much for tuning in. Please do like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, do leave a comment, do hit the notification bell, so that whenever I upload any such video, you are able to get the notifications here. Thank you so much. Bye bye.